Doggone. That's one. Just doggone me. Forget it. Forget all about it. I just want to say up front, whatever you see past this point is the rambling of an angry old man. The product did not work to my satisfaction whatsoever. And I just wanted to tell you about it. That's what we got. I kind of had a goal set. I want to be done with a project, and I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I run out of a product. So what? Roll get some more. Well, went to the wrong store. I got this stuff. I don't know, tell me. Read them labels. Hey, pretty much word for word the same doggone thing. I want to get some stuff cleaned up. I don't know what's in this can. It ain't cleaning squat for me. Let me show you. I'm gonna spray in the bucket. Look down here in this bucket. Now, doggone it. I wish I had. I'm gonna go buy another doggone tin. That right there should blast away normally. It ain't doing nothing. It ain't cutting nothing. It ain't mixing. What is it in that can? Am I making something out of nothing here? This stuff ain't cutting nothing. At all. It don't even mix with it. What's in the doggone cans? Does anybody else use this product? Now, normally I just don't give a. Normally I don't care. This, that, half dozen, another. I don't care. But when I throw my hard-earned bread down, I expect it to do something. This hasn't cut anything. I do welcome you to reach out to me, and I'll save this can. You can tell me what the devil's in it, because it ain't cutting no grease. It isn't instantly removing anything. Am I using this product improperly? I mean, it ain't cutting squat, man.